Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today I'm excited to share with you an update on one of my favorite Yoder accessories, the wood-fired oven. Now, I've been cooking on the Yoder wood-fired oven insert for the pellet grills for almost 2 years now, and honestly, it's one of the best things they've made. It gets incredibly hot. It's fantastic for pizzas, but you can cook at lower temperatures too to do things like lasagna or even roast a whole chicken dinner. Now, recently they've updated this, upgraded this. They've changed the hood material from the carbon steel that it was now to a stainless steel hood. Now, this is going to last a long time. It's going to resist corrosion and rust, and it's going to patina really nice over time. This stainless steel is going to stand up better over time as far as these intense temperatures go, and we know that thing gets hot. So if you've been thinking about picking up a wood-fired oven for your Yoder pellet grill, now's the time to do it. If you're already cooking on one of these wood-fired ovens, then you know that you love it. And if you want to upgrade to the stainless steel, you totally can. That option is going to be available this fall. As always, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to get in contact with our team. But for now, head over to atbbq.com and check out the Yoder Smoker's stainless steel wood-fired oven.